Hello everyone, today we'll be solving the jewels and stones problem. The input to the problem is a string containing the jewels and string containing the stones. Our task is to return the number of jewels in the stone string. Here, the jewels are small I and capital A, and in the stone string we have one small I and two capital A's. So we have to return the output as 3. So first we will develop the strategy to solve this problem. So initialize init all the required variables so the required variables are int count is equal to 0. So that step is done. Step 1 is done. Now we will be moving forward to step 2. Step 2, adding all the characters in jewel string to the jewel set. So why we are adding to set is for the ease of searching in the jewel string. So hash set of character jewel is equal to new hash set of character. So for we are iterating through the jewel string and adding every element to the jewel set. So for int I is equal to j dot length and I plus plus. So we are adding every element to the jewel set. So jewel dot add j dot caret I. So that step is done. Now we are moving forward to step 3. We'll be iterating through the stone string and checking for the presence of jewels. So for same for loop we can reuse. So stone dot length, we are checking whether jewel is contained in the stone string at that specific index. So if jewel dot contains stone at that index caret I, then we will be incrementing the count. So count plus plus. And finally step 4, we will be returning the count of jewels in the stone string. So returning the count of jewels. So return count. So now we will run the solution. So our solution is accepted. Now we'll submit it. Solution is accepted. Thank you and have a great day.